Our next letter is the letter J. J. And as you can see here, the letter J is represented in its printed formats: independent, initial, medial, and final position. Now we'll practice how to handwrite the letter J. Let's start with the independent J. This is the line. You will start right on top of the line, like about half an inch on top of the line. And let's go ahead and draw a wave. Start right here, and you go up and you draw a wave. And from that point at the end of the wave, all you have to do is start from here and go all the way around, doing half a circle. So let's start from here and do half a circle. And of course, the letter J has a dot in the middle of that circle. I'll do that one more time. So I start on top of the line, half an inch top of the line, and draw a wave. And from the end of the wave, let's do half a circle. So start right here and do that circle. And a dot in the middle of the letter J. Now, let's practice writing J in its initial position. The same technique, all you have to do is start on top of the line about half an inch and do that wave till you reach the line. And then instead of doing the circle, just go straight on the line. And of course, the dot under the letter. I will do that one more time. Start with the wave till you reach the line, and then you draw a line and a dot under. J. Now, let's take a look at J in the medial position. Well, J in the medial position is pretty much the same as J in its initial position, except that all we have to do is do a tail before the J. So we'll do the same thing. We'll start with the wave till we reach the line, and then a line and a dot under. And this is the J in the initial position. And J in the medial position will be connected to a letter before it, so all we have to do is a line before it. And this line indicates that J is connected to a letter that precedes it. So I'll do that again. The wave, a line, a dot under, and you don't have to worry about writing the line before it, because anyway it's going to be connected to a letter before it. J. Now let's move on and see how to write J in the final position. It's pretty much the same as J in its independent position, except for it's going to be connected to a letter that precedes it. So all you have to do is start with the wave and half the circle with the dot in the middle, and you will see a tail that connects it to the letter that precedes it. One more time. We're going to start with the wave, half a circle with the dot, and then there's a tail that connects it to the letter that precedes it. And you don't have to worry about drawing the tail, because when there's a letter before it, that tail would come naturally, and exist over there. So all you have to do is write the J and connect it. Now let's practice writing some words that contain the letter J in addition to some of the letters that we've already tackled before. How about the word Jathi? Jathi. The first sound is J, so we need J in its initial position. We'll start half an inch on top of the line, do the wave, the line, and the dot under. Jathi. Jathi. So it's connected to Aleph. Ja. Ja. So all we have to do is pull a small tail and go up. And this is the Aleph. Jathi. Jathi. And after the Aleph we have Tha. Tha. And here you have to remember that Aleph does not connect to the letter after it. So we'll start right here with the Tha, the tooth, and the line. Jathi. And Tha has 1, 2, 3 dots on top of it. Je, fi. And the last sound is E. Yeah. So we pull a small tail and we do the ya with 2 dots under. Jafi. How about the word jabat? Jabat. The first sound is ja, so we start right here. Do the wave and the line and the dot. Jabat. And it's connected to ba. Ba. So we do the tooth and the line and 1 dot under for the ba. Jabat. And the last sound is ta. Ta at the end, connected. So the smiley face, the tooth, the line and the tooth, and the 2 dots on top. Jabat. The next word is the word tajbi. Tajbi. So the first sound is ta. So we do the tooth, the line, and 2 dots for the ta. Tajbi. And ta is connected to ja. Taj. Taj. So we need ja in the medial position. So all you have to do is do the wave and pull the line and 1 dot under. See how naturally it connects to the letter that precedes it? Taj, B. Now ja is connected to ba. Taj, B. So we need ba, a tooth, and a line, 1 dot under. Tajbi. And the last sound is ya. So we do ya with 2 dots under. Tajbi. The next word is the word taj. Taj. The first sound is ta. So we do the tooth and the line and 2 dots on top of the ta. Taj. And ta is connected to aleph. So we connect it to aleph. Taj. And the last sound is ja. Ja in the final position. And of course, it does not connect to aleph. Aleph does not connect to the letter that comes after it. So we do ja independent. Taj. So again, the wave and half the circle and the dot in the middle. Taj. The last word is the word taboj. Taboj. So again, the first sound is ta. Do the tooth with the tail and 2 dots. Taboj. Ta is connected to ba. Ta, bo, bo, ta, bo. So we need ba, the tooth, and the line with the dot under. And you can identify that ba has dhamma on top of it. Ta, bo, bo. So you can put the dhamma. Taboj. Taboj. And the last sound is ja in the final position, and it's connected to ba. So all you have to do is do the ja, the wave, and the circle with the dot, and it connects naturally to the ba. Taboj. Taboj.